Wagwan YouTube. Merry Christmas! Alright, so basically we're going to be showing off the Christmas feast today. You know, man of the house, chef, resident chef. It shall be everybody's going to be taking on a task.
Switching up the sessions for you. Getting in the kitchen and I need to get on.
Alright, put one tray, we'll put the tray underneath it, you know, to catch the drips. Right? Yes, it's a catch the drips, yes. Roasted chicken. Maybe you're putting a sauce on it. This is like a
Roast up!
They're done.
So now the underbelly I go roast up around.
So what do you do to the ham safari?
Put mayonnaise on, no man put the sauce on.
You put mayonnaise on it?
Mm-hmm.
Mayonnaise or mustard?
Mustard.
The big mustard back of the right, I say, no?
I say mayonnaise, Jesus.
I ask him over and over and I say, yeah man, I put mayonnaise on it. So why you put mustard on it? Why you put mustard on it?
Color and taste.
Okay. And he's basting it up. So what you do with it? You wrap it up in a foil paper and put it in the oven?
No, wrap it up.
You just put it in the oven same so?
On a grill, yeah.
On the grill.
Want it have a nice color.
Alright. See you in the oven? Yeah. Not ketchup color it, yes, sir? But it's a
turn it down for it cook.
And juices them and catch underneath. Orin, what is this? The
I want to make sure.
is that the same sauce you made with earlier?
Yes.
So you just stretch it?
Only thing there pineapple juice and red wine.
Okay, I don't know if y'all hear that.
Come on, you embarrass me.
We did it. The ham is being dressed. We have fixed him up.
Sunday best.
You know, I put some pineapple here, so or the pineapple them done.
A 4 slice, come here, look at
But they look a dirty beach there. Well, it better than nothing.
4 slice.
It's better than nothing. Or you get him color where you want.
Yes. You must start to do that.
The sauce that has been ham matar. What do you call that? I don't even know what to call that.
Rendered to local. Yes. But this liquefied dough.
You want to take meat up?
No, really.
Oh, okay.
It already tastes so more if it tastes when it go in there, it will. You must up him tea.
And then you know you have it as the gravy. You just put when you slice it, you just pour it over it. Right.
I'm not for bent no more gravy, my good man.
Yeah. I got almost my time come to the kitchen, guys. I know what I want.
Almost, you know long enough should I come in, I don't like me in here every minute with the chicken. I've not been in here.
Or you use a pot we never used to make the roux.
Which part?
Supposed to have one
The
more.
thicker one there, why I use macaroni and this, you will burn up.
That's true. It is 2 p.m. Where is it 2 p.m.? Or is that a minute to 2 p.m.? And the chicken done, the ham done.
Beef on its way.
The beef the pan the pot in that. Right, so the beef.
Just go on fire.
Yes. Cheese I get shredded over here, so yes. I take all my things them macaroni. See the butter here for the roux. I'm take out the pasta. Some look at things to season up the roux. Look at things. Flour, right? Yeah. Right, after I say yeah, chicken. I say chicken in here, so alive. Chicken, it fall out. I can't bother people. The chicken them in here, so. The mac and cheese is done. The woman right here, so we were sampling, you know. Take a little scoop out to make sure it's cooked. But these are ready. They on point. Yum. They like so good. Like you don't know how many years it took me to reach this level. Damn right.
The ham in there and the chicken in there.
With the beef there. Hey! I'm not fighting. I was like curry. Oxtail, macaronis. Oh God.